Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make Twitter account private. So it's that Twitter account or X account, whichever one. This video is going to walk you through how you can easily make your account private. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make Twitter account private, all you need to do is go ahead and open the X app. Then click on your profile icon at the top left. Scroll down, locate and click on settings and privacy. Now, once you selected settings and privacy, scroll down, locate privacy and safety, and then click on that. So click privacy and safety. On the privacy and safety page, locate and click on audience and tagging. Now, to make your Twitter account private, all you need to do is go ahead and turn on protect your post. Only show your post to people who follow you. If selected, you will need to approve each new follower. Then you see, are you sure? Communities are public, so protecting your account will hide your previous post. You also won't be able to post in the community until your account is public again. Turn that on. Also, you can also protect your video. If selected, videos you post or send via DM will not be downloadable. By default, the settings apply to videos shared going forward and it's not retroactive. Then click on this to turn it on. Now, once turn these two features on, that is protect your posts and protect your videos, under audience and tagging, this is going to make your Twitter account private. And then you're good to go. So that's exactly how to make Twitter account private. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.